Hey Cardinals, Mr. Carey here to work on our times 5 times tables. Now, as you go through your multiplication facts, as we go through all these different tables, multiplication has a commutative property. So as we go further and further on, there are fewer and fewer facts to learn because we'll have learned some already. You should have started with times 2's. Now, if you did the times 2's, this one is one that we know already. We did 2 times 5. We should know that 5 times 2 then is going to be 10. We also know any number times 1 is going to be that number. Okay, so we have 5 times 1, that's going to be, let's say it's going to be 5. So we should know that one. So there's one that we should know. Okay, coming down here to times 10, I think you know, and I hope that you know, that any number times 10 is going to give you that multiple of 10 where you have that number and a 0 at the end. So for example, 2 times 10 was 20, a 2 with a 0 on the end. 5 times 10 is going to be a 5 with a 0 on the end. It's going to be 50. Did you know that times 11, so that's an easy one to do. So did you know your times 11s are going to give you the number you multiply twice? For example, 2 times 11 was 2 twice, it was 22. 5 times 11 will be 55. 7 times 11 would be, do you know? 77, right? And that works for every number up until the number 9. It works up the way, all the way through the 9s, okay? So 5 times 11 will be 55. So if you look at your times 5's tables, there aren't a whole lot of new ones to have to learn, okay? Not too many new ones to have to put, okay? But we're going to count by 5s and go ahead and fill this in. We got 5, 10, this would be 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. All right, so those are our times 5's right there. You ready? I do it, you repeat it. Here we go. Ready? 5 times 1 is 5. You do it. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. All right, did you do them? Are you saying them? Don't be cool. Don't be cool. Don't be the cool kid. I don't have to say this. Yes, you do. Repeat them after I do. Here we go. Did you pay attention? Do you know? I hope you do. Here we go. I'm going to say it and then pause. You give me the answer. Ready? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 11, 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Were you able to get them all? Really? Truly? Honestly? I hope so. I hope so. If not, study those 5s. Study your 2s. If you know them, put your cards aside. If you don't know them, you should have flashcards. Do the ones you don't know. Work on the ones you don't know. The ones you know, put them aside. Check them once a day. But the ones you don't know, you got to check them several times a day till you have them up here. Work hard. We need to know these. All right, I'm proud of you. Keep working.